Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go. Today is Monday. Hope everyone had a good weekend. Everybody is safe. We have another special unboxing to do. It's coming from Home Dynamics. They're on Amazon, and the link is going to be down below. This is the 7-foot 8" by 10. I'm going to take it apart and show you guys in a few. Alrighty, YouTubers, here we are with the rug from Home Dynamics. Link will be down below. We can check out the other rugs, other styles. It's pretty nice right here. This is a black creep one. Pretty cool. Here's the front. All the way. Zoom in the middle. Pretty cool. Still got to arrange some furniture and it'll be all set. So when you got free time, take a look. Link will be down below. Take advantage of the Amazon Prime's fast and free shipping, and you'll get this in no time. Be safe. Have a good day. Alrighty, here we go, YouTubers. This is what it looks like with the couch furniture all put back together. And there you go. So definitely check them out. Home Dynamics. Aerial rug. So get it at low cost, and the link will be down below. Be safe. Have a good day. See ya.